All right. What's up, people? Um, yeah, let's get the lab over with. I got a great IT setup right now. This is wild. All right. So obviously we have our squat and we have our bench. Let's start with the squat. So I think the first thing you should really do is highlight this whole thing. And then what you're going to do is click this sort and filter button. Anastasia, I know it's a little different for you because you're on Windows, but everything should be mainly the same. But after you click that sort and filter button, you're going to want to click the filter button. What that does is essentially allows you to, you guessed it, filter. I could filter by participant number, which will be important when you want to get your own data. You can sort by gender, so that's pretty important. And you could also sort by training, the high or low intensity. And you could put on multiple of these filters at the same time. So say I want to see high intensity trainers that are also females, I can do that as well. So bada bing, bada boom, you got it. That makes it so much easier when you go down here to get your averages. And to get your averages, you just type in equal average, and then you could highlight the cells that you want above by scrolling up and highlighting them. That should be pretty self-explanatory. You're going to do that for each condition. But in order to create a graph, I like creating it like this and made it easier for the scatter plot. So I have my load velocity curve for the squat, my load power curve, which are the two curves you're going to need. And from there, you're going to have male and female cells, or male and female categories. But you notice how this male box takes up one box? That's because I merged these. So originally they weren't merged. They're like this, right? I can click the merge in center button and it'll merge in center. So that's how you get all of that to look nicey nice. And then I color code it because why not? From there, it gets put onto a nice graph. Whoopee. Make sure it's the scatter plot graph. So when you highlight everything, so like when you highlight, you'll insert scatter plot. Except you're not gonna wanna, or actually, yeah, that looks great. And then from there, you can adjust your axes. I changed the minimum to 20, so it looks nicer. But then you notice it's like, damn, there's no lines. It's not looking nicey nice. That's where this comes in. Click on any of the data points. You're gonna want to right click, click select data. Instead of gaps for the show empty cells as, we're gonna want to connect those data points with a line. Oh, but there's no line. Well, that's because you gotta put in a line. So if you think you're dumb, you're not dumb. You just have to do the extra step. And then from there, you'll go in solid line for each of these. Change the color of the line so it matches the color of the dot. You get the whole point. From there, you probably know how to add axes titles and do all that fun jazz. Um, what else? Personal one, same process, just less data points. Makes it's really easy. And then what I did, I just essentially just copy and pasted this formatting over to the bench. And then also when you're doing your load or like the weight that you did, keep it in kilograms. It's going to be I think it looks nicer, and I think that's what the standard is kilograms. So when in doubt, if you forget how to do that, you could just take that pounds and divide it by 2.2. I feel like Carricker right now, but that's a whole nother story. All right. Hopefully I didn't bore you. If you have questions, ask me. Peace.